Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Spyderco Swayback here with me for a maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, check out fablades.com, check my Instagram, let me know what you guys think about these videos I'm shooting, and yeah, let's get in touch. Guys, look at this. This is a nice frame lock with a swayback. Nice, look at that, mirror, washed, finished, for this CTS XHP blade from Spyderco. That's the Swayback. You see you have the insert from the inside, screwed in from the inside, no outside screw, and it's a nice one. We're gonna try to see if we can improve the action on this fella. We're gonna need a T6 Torx bit for the handle, and we're gonna just do it nicely and carefully because we are getting close to the titanium, so you guys don't want to touch that with your screwdriver, so just take it easy with a T6. This guy probably it's like T8 or T10. Let me see. I guess that's a T8, not a T9 for sure. Yeah, no, that definitely not a T9. That's actually a T10. Let me see. Could it be a T9? Well, no. That's a T8. Here we go. Let's see if this guy is gonna be spinning on us. Doesn't look like to be spinning, so that's a good thing. And this feels a little bit Loctite, but it's all right. I'm gonna just open this fella right over here, wiggle a little bit. This is tight, guys, I'm telling you. Nice tolerances. Oh yeah, it's keyed in. That's good. A little bit of wiggle. If it doesn't want to move, I'm just gonna try to pry this plastic in. I don't want to force anything. I'm just gonna keep it closed, nice and center, even without the pivot. So this guy comes out. That's okay. And let's just pry it out this side. That is interesting. All right, let's try to push out the pivot, which doesn't want to come out. No, of course, that's keyed in, so it's not gonna go anywhere. There you go. Maybe with no pin. We are able just to remove the scales like that. Very nice. Pivot can come out. Scale are out. Just a little bit of rubbing alcohol here. Just use this side over here. Let's clean everything up. We got ourselves a set of titanium slabs here. No skeletonization going on, except of course for the integrated stop pin into the blade. You got that washer, and you got yourself a nice set of clean scales, ceramic detent ball, stainless steel lock face insert, dual screw, over travel, lock bar, stabilizer integrated into the insert. Nice CTS XHP steel, mirror wash to a nice, and I say very nice, actually I should say finish. Tiny washers, phosphorus bronze washers going on right there, and we are in business, guys. That's pretty much cleaned up. Let's also take care of the pivot, and now we're in. So let's go. So this guy actually goes in from this side because it's keyed in. Actually, It's keyed in from the back. So let's do that like that. So it's already keyed in like it was before, right? So you got your pivot in. Now you got your washers in. And I'm going to use a lighter weight nano oil, like the 5 for this guy. I don't know why. Let's see how it's going to work. So just a little bit over here. Okay. Then a little bit of heavier weight on the detent ball, like 85. And now we got the blade in. Nice, you see the stop pin is only on one side and it's screwed in. The other stop pin is on the other side and screwed in from the other side. So it's a nice construction. First time that I'm seeing it. Let me know if you saw this kind of construction for the integrated stop pin in any other knife. I'll be curious to know. There you go. And lube, we are lubed. Then we have just to screw everything back. Let's see. This looks to be in place. We've got here. Let's do this. Let's change that back with the T6. So, as I said, just be careful here. You don't want to ruin everything. So just very gently screw that little fella in. And the second handle screw also is in. There you go. Now this guy needs a little bit of that's like a T8, correct? Yes. Blue Loctite for this fella over here. Even if, I mean, there's not much need because, but I mean, a little bit won't hurt. It's not the red one. And so there you go. So now this guy is like way too tight. Okay, now it's all right. Let's wipe it down. There we go, nice and clean. Let's check for these screws. Like, let's make sure they're tight. They are, and let's check the blade centering. So from this perspective over here, there we go. Yeah, it looks centered to me. Way tight. All right. Maybe we can do a little bit less. Still solid blade, no blade play. Also no blade play, huh? Okay. Interesting, guys. There you go. So that's an interesting knife. Not my favorite action, to be honest, but the blade is pretty interesting. Hollow grind. Yeah, action is not like stellar, but still it's a little bit improved. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.